What's up, internet world?
Hey y'all, I got this bat, but don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to my channel. Or welcome back to my channel. What is up, y'all? Make sure you guys are staying hydrated. If you don't have water, go grab one. I'll wait. Okay, you got it. Cheers. Drink up, y'all. Stay hydrated. Water makes me burp. But today I'll be doing 3 Powerpuff Girl makeup looks. Somewhat inspired by this jacket, but somewhat random. And yeah, let's get into it. So first things first, I need to get a clean face, so no makeup on. And then I am taking my concealer. I'm using this NYX. It is in the lightest shade. And y'all, I've never done this before. I never looked up how to put primer on before, and I've never done it, so I could be doing it completely wrong. I just went with the flow. Now I'm blending that baby out. Time for the next eye. Blend, blend, blend. Oh my gosh, my eyeball looks so weird. No, sis. Goodbye. And here's my primer. Oh my gosh, y'all. I had to roll this primer up like a tube of toothpaste. It would not come out. I'm running out. I need to get more. I've been saying this for my past videos. Like, no tea, no shade. But... And now I'm just patting this down. So now I'm taking this Naked Heat palette and I'm going to be using these 2 colors. These are the 2 colors I'm going to be using, and taking the orange color, I'm going to be putting it on the crease of my eye and making a little wing on the outside of my eye. I chose orange mainly because I don't have pink, so I made this look to represent Blossom in like an orange, fiery way. Do y'all feel me? Like, she's like fiery, she's spotting crime out there. Y'all feel me? You feel me? Okay. Doing the same thing on the other eye, and then I'm going ahead and blending that out. So then I am taking the lighter color and I am just adding that on the bottom and on the outside just to blend this orange a little bit. And then I blend that out again. Ta-da! And this is the palette. I did use Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat. And then I'm also taking this Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette, and I'm going to be using these 2 colors. So taking the lighter pink color, I am filling that in, but I had to go ahead and add more primer because it was not going on good. So that is what I did. Adding more primer, I added that shadow to my eye. Also, there's a fuzz in my hair. Don't mind that, y'all. She's just chilling. Let's just forget about her. But I blended out that pinker color. And now I'm taking this shimmer and I am putting that on my eyeball above where I put the pink color on. Above, I mean on. So I'm so sorry, y'all. And now I am taking a lighter glittery color and I am putting that on the corners of my eyes as well as on top of my nose, just to give me a little highlight, make my little face like shining and popping. And I also like to put some glitter underneath my eyebrows as well. Ta-da! Now I'm taking eyeliner, and y'all, this is gonna take some real concentration, so I'll be right back. And transition, ooh, bam! Y'all, look at this eyeliner. I kind of messed up right there, but it's okay. And now I'm adding concealer so that way I can clean up the orange edge. I think I made a mistake here and I added way too much concealer because it was low-key hard to blend that all out. Yeah, I think I added way too much concealer because it took so long to blend out. And after I blended it out, I realized that my eyeshadow is uneven on each side. So I was like taking forever to figure out what am I going to do about this, like staring at my face. And then I realized if I take this little pencil brush right here, not pencil brush, like my eyebrow pencil brush, and I took some like glittery eyeshadow and I made a little edge around my eyeshadow. And y'all, like look at that. It looks 10 times better now. I wasn't very clean with my concealer, so I had to cover that up, fix that up real quick. And now I am taking my Morphe eyebrow, I don't know what you call this, like eyebrow stuff. It's just like in a little pot, and then I'm putting a little bit on my eyebrows, not too much. And then I'm taking this Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette, and I took some little glitter from there and added that under my eyes under my eyebrows, because the other glitter I used wasn't the best. And now I am curling my eyelashes and putting on some mascara. I'm using Urban Decay Provision, and this is the best mascara I've ever used. Like, shout out to my aunt. Shout out to my aunt for all this stuff, because my aunt Justine got me like all this makeup stuff. She set me up. But ta-da! We are all done with the look. Hey guys, so now I'm going to be doing bubbles on my sister. So first of all, I am taking my primer, and then my sister is making fun of me because I was showing you guys my products. And here I am putting primer on my sister. She did not like the way that it felt, and honestly, I just went really light with this look. I wasn't really able to fully go in and do like a full-on bubbles inspired look. I just did a little light, just like a little light fun look on my sister because she is not a fan of makeup. And I'm using this Forever 21 makeup palette. But yeah, if you guys want to see a bubbles look, then I can do that. But honestly, like, it's just bubbles, you know? Like, I love bubbles and all, but like, no tea, no shade. And now I am taking this blue and I am putting it on my sister, and she did not like the way it felt at all. And she also did not like the way that it looks. And now I am taking this silver powder, and I decided to add silver in the look because I don't have a lot of blues, and the blue that I did use kind of looks silver anyways, so I just added some silver. So now I am blending the eyeshadow. And now I am taking some more silver and blending that with the silver powder I just put on. And then I also added little silver dots on her to like kind of represent bubbles and just like literally bubbles. And just like cute, because Bubbles is like just like a cute little like superhero. And this is the look. I tried doing that trendy TikTok dance, y'all, but tell me why that lined up with the music. Anyways, what's up? And yeah, I'm sorry those clips with my sister. It was a bit chaotic. There's some drama. Anyways, I'm going to be taking my primer and I am putting that on my eyes like always. That is the first step I do. Also, I got my bangs trimmed today. I hope if you guys notice, I look a bit different than before. But yeah, I am now blending that primer out. And I am using this green shimmer powder because I am now doing Buttercup, the third Powerpuff Girl. And I've never done green before, so I was a bit nervous. And I put my hair in a bun because my hair was getting a bit annoying down. And now I am blending that eyeshadow out. I also made sure to make like a little wing with the green powder. Voila, bam! I'm all done. Oh, now I'm getting my cat because she was messing up my backdrop. Which, by the way, I know it might look tacky, but it looks way better than my room right now. Because my room right now, I'm currently redoing it. So yeah. And now I'm putting concealer on. But yeah, y'all, I'm redoing my room, and trust me, I thought this looked a bit better than what I have in my background. And now I am blending out that concealer. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. Ta-da! This is what it looks like so far. And now I'm just going to do my eyebrows. So I'm taking my spoolie and the Naked Reloaded palette. And I'm just dipping my spoolie into some light brown eyeshadow and putting that onto my eyebrows. I decided to give my eyebrows like a more defined look because Buttercup, she has a little bit of anger issues. I think that's how she was. I don't really remember. But to kind of just like show her character a little more. Just you right there. If you have watched for this entire video, I applaud you. I applaud you. Now, I'm gonna head out. So, peace out. Don't forget to subscribe.